Greetings, 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 greetings. We meet again. It's old BLG here. You're you out there, whoever you are. Yes, yes you are. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG, the Florida Fat Man himself. Yeah, yeah. I'm BLG. I'm lefty, and I'm righty. I'm doing fried fish for supper tonight, and chicken. My Long John Silver's recipe. You can look it up. I'm having that for supper tonight. Trying to think of something to go with it. Long John Silver's, you could get like French fries on the side, and the nasty ass coleslaw. Don't ever eat coleslaw, folks. Don't. It's horrible. You get corn on the cob, and they always give you like 2 hush puppies. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to take that one step further, and today we're going to try to make corn fritters. We'll see how this goes. It could get interesting. Let's jump into this. I got my deep fryer right chop. Got my deep fryer. You can use a skillet too, but I got my deep fryer right there. It's heating up to 350 degrees. It's a 3, a 5, a 0, and an F. Fahrenheit, yes. Thanks for the help there, righty. No problem. So anyways, I've been watching people make these things. Everybody's making them the same. I've been watching them make these things. Well, God, it's 8 o'clock. For 2 hours now. So I figure I'm a pro by now. I've been watching people make them. Never made them before, but I'm a pro. A fucking pro. I'm going to get in trouble if I don't get my ass going here. People call for different amounts, but mostly the same materials. But I'm going to go 1 cup of flour in my sifter. I'm kind of shooting the middle through everybody, because I don't want to make enough of them that I'm not going to eat them all. I still might make that much. I don't know. Baking powder. And I get my little 1 teaspoon of your baking powder goodness. Just like this. 1. Okay, done with that. This is pretty easy, it seems. So I mean, I'm fucking pro. This is good stuff. Okay, a little bit of salt, just a little dash of salt. Everybody had their own little ideas of how much. I'm gonna add that. What is that? 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. I don't know. I call that a dash of salt. All right. 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Hey man, you got 2 tablespoons of sugar? Yes. Alright. We're just going to sift it together into a bowl. Into this bowl, right? Chop. Sift. That bowl. Right there. And meow, it's gone. Sifted. Sifting away with me. Alright, so we got that all done. Oh shit, I gotta get an egg. I gotta get an egg and whoop the crap out of it. Here. It's all gonna end up in the same place anyways. Let me get an egg out. Once again, I did not prep properly. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Put an egg in this fucking thing. Alright. And I'm going to lightly beat this egg. Like this, watch. You seeing that? Lightly beat it. You bad egg. No, you're supposed to just give it one of these. Bust it up some. Like that. Done. And I'm going to need this fork. You might as well stay here. You stay here. I'm going to put these eggs away. Remember this sound? Kind of cool, huh? Styrofoam egg cartons. Woohoo! Alright. So I got that all there. I'm going to put an egg in here, slightly beaten to our flour mixture. Ugh. Barf, barf, barf. Like that. Right? And half a cup of miak. That's right, y'all. Half cup. I have to hold it up to pour it properly. I say properly, folks. Half cup of miak. Right in the bowl, man. Right in that bowl. Put the miak away. Like this here. And I'm going to get off of my face. Measuring cup. Then we're just going to mix this together. Allegedly, it will make some sort of a dough or floury, thick dough substance. About to find out, ain't we? Stir and mix. Stir and mix. Just using a fork. You can probably use whatever you want. Stir and mix. That looks a bit runny to me. I'm going to add more flour. Look at this. That's too runny. That's not going to hold together. Well, first off, I'll tell you what. We've got a half a cup of sweet corn. We're going to put that in here. That's just half a can of strained out canned corn. Half a can of that. And I drained it out real good. Let's see what this does to the mixture. I think it's still going to be a little bit thin. My opinion. But like I say, that's what I get for shooting down the middle on every recipe I see. That's going to be a little thin. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of flour just until it gets right. In fact, I think somebody else said you just kind of eyeball it until you get that consistency you want. That's what we're doing now, folks. Eyeballing little bits at a time. Little bits at a time. I got the little bits at a time. Getting a consistency. Trying to get a lumpy consistency. No. That looks like baby shit. Put a little more in here. So that's going to be like almost 1.5 cups of flour I got in here. Just eyeballing it. 1.25 to 1.5 cups so far. It lied to me, man. Ah, the oil's up. Cool. That might work. I want it a little thicker than that, though. I just do. This is still going to be just about 1.5 cups total that I'm putting in this. I just want it to hold a ball or a good, solid, chunky lump. Chunky lump. Yeah. Pwarf. Might work. I don't know. I want it a little thicker. Because I do. Just adding little bits at a time. See what we got here. Blood. Thicker. Yep. I'm going with 1.5 cups of flour, I'm going to say, still, to start with, and kind of eyeball your batter up. Batter up! Now swinging for the Louisville Sluggers, number 9. Now we're talking. That's what I want. Now, Lordy-dee, let me see what I got here. I'm going to just line this. Get off of me! I'm just going to line this here strainer. In fact, I probably ought to set that over a paper towel. Over a paper plate. Okay, we'll set that there for a catcher, okay? Get this out of my face. Just a couple of tablespoons. And play the spoons like, you know, trying to get the spoons in, like that and stuff. Okay, now I don't need this fork anymore. Fork? Yes, BLG. Fork off. It hit the windowsill and made a big splotch of fucking dough up on the windowsill, and then it fell behind the fucking sink. Okay, so our oil's up to 350 degrees. You take a spoon of this stuff, like so, it says, you plunk them down in here. Boof! You take a spoon, like this, plunk them down in here. Boof! Yeah, that's not too hard. Now take a spoon, and plunk them down in here. Poof! You take a spoon, you getting the idea of this? Say it with me. Plunk him down in here. Boof! You're not sticking, are you? Nope. Don't you be sticking on me. Everybody floats. I can do one more in the middle here. Take a spoon. Yep. Plunk him down in here. In fact, I think I can get another one in here. Take a spoon. Plunk him down in here. Hell yeah. Everybody comes to the top. No one was sticking to the bottom of my basket. No way, bitches. Alright. So there's those. Man, I got a mess on that already. No! Damn it! Messy bastard. God! No, not me fat fryer. Fat man loves his fat fryer. Yes. Yes. The incredible fat frying fat man. Oh, what a mess. What a mess, BLG. You've done horrible. That's alright. I'll get it cleaned up there, righty. We'll get it later. We're close enough on it now. Ooh, those need flipped. I hadn't thought about that. Hadn't thought about that part. What do I want to use? Need to roll them over. Like that, yes. Roll that one over. That one's rolled over by itself, hey. You can't complain if it rolls over by itself. Flip this one, flip over, babies. Hey, look at there. Fuck yeah, man. And we're just going to go these until they're golden brown on all sides. Pretty and golden brown like. Nice. Fritters. Alright. Fritters are floating till they're golden brown. See? How they're getting all golden-y browny? Looky. Corn fritters instead of cornflakes. I'm wearing my Iron Maiden hat today, I think. Yeah, I'm wearing my Iron Maiden hat this morning. Badass, huh? Dun, 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 dun. Seen them in concert, they were badass. Rolling these over again, I don't know why. I'm just flipping them around. Having fun with them, I guess. Get over there, you bastard. You bastard, you. You prick. Do what the BLG tells you to, and you will be deep fried too. La 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 da dee dee doo. Fuck the duck in the butt. Don't do that, they quack. They quack really weird and it. Oh, I mean, I don't know what happens. Lefty. Damn it. Oh God, what the hell do I do with these guys? What am I supposed to do with these guys? They're out of control today. E-I-E-I-O. Frying pork rinds. Frying corn fritters. E-I-E-I-O. People were saying people put like honey on these things or syrup or something. Powdered sugar. Why? I don't know. I don't know, but they do. People say they eat them that way. I guess so. If you want them sweeter or something. I'm just making fritters. Looking just about done. There, right, a little bit more on that side, right there, just a minute or so. And I'll pop these out and I'll show you what they look like. And that will conclude this episode, my friends. A quick, simple, painless, although maybe boring to you. Don't be bored. Get even. No, that's not how. It's not how it works. What do you mean? It's don't get mad. Get even. Oh. Don't be bored. Stay entertained. Yes. That better? Don't worry about it, Lefty. You guys know what I mean. Don't worry about it, Lefty. Just don't worry about it. You just try to stay under control. I'm going to take these out. Let them drain here for a minute. Look at those little bad boys, huh? Golden brown. Poof! Into their little stirrini basket. Look at these little bad mammy jammies. They're hot, but they look good. Look at them little bad mammy jammies. Just like at the fair or something. Somebody said they used to get them at the fair. I don't know. I used to get them with Southern soul food cooking. But there you go. Corn fritters. So, hope you enjoyed this episode. A quick little episode. Hands on with BLG. I'm going to continue to cook while it's still cool enough in the house. So, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Like I said, I will see you in the next episode. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. We will see you guys back here in the next exciting episode. Goodbye! 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 Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.